Do you know how EMI is calculated? There is a mathematical formula behind that. Of course, we may be using EMI calculators or Excel spreadsheets which will give you answer instantly. But what is the calculation behind that? Let's see. The formula actually originates from the formula of present value of annuity. Present value of annuity is basically annuity multiplied by this annuity factor. This annuity factor has 1 plus I power n minus 1 divided by I into 1 plus I power n. Here I stands for interest rate, n stands for number of period, and this is the formula for finding the present value of annuity. So we will just shift this to the right hand side, so we will be left to find out what is annuity, and that's what you see here. But here our focus is finding EMI. EMI, the focus is equated monthly. So what we'll do, we will modify this formula to find out EMI. That is, wherever I is involved, we have to divide it by number of months. So wherever I is there, we'll divide it by M, which stands for number of months. And wherever N is there, we'll multiply with M, which is again number of months. So here you can see in 3 places or 5 places, I'm making the adjustments. And I have replaced the present value of annuity with loan amount. Both are one and the same. So now we have the formula for EMI. Let's check whether this is the real formula. Take a screenshot of this formula or save this formula. You can apply this loan figure. Loan amount of 1 lakh, 10% is the interest rate per annum, 5 years is the repayment tenor. Let's try to fit all the information into the formula. So loan amount is 1 lakh. Interest rate I is 10%. So 10% is written as 10 by 100, which is actually 0.10. So that is captured here. And I'm dividing it by M. Here M stands for number of months in a year. So our focus is EMI, right? So the number of months in a year is 12. Multiplied by 1 plus, once again I, which is 0.10, divided by M, which is 12. Raised to the power 5 into 12. Here the 5 stands for 5 years, which is N, and 12 is M. Okay, whole divided by 1 plus I by M, which is 0.1 by 12, raised to the power 5 into 12 minus 1. So if you do all the mathematical calculations, you will end up with this factor value, multiply it with 1 lakh, and you are going to get EMI figure as 2124. And I also cross-checked the same with EMI calculator, and I found the value very close to it, that is 2125. So this is the formula behind EMI calculation, and this is what deployed by all this EMI calculators.